Hello. Today we are going to be talking about the ICE and ISE ending words. We want to discuss the suffixes that will help us to differentiate between noun and verb. The ICE and ISE are suffixes in English language. English language has many suffixes, that is, morphemes or group of letters that we add at the end of a root word to change its meaning or class of words. So today I'm going to discuss with you how you can differentiate between a noun and a verb, especially words that have almost the same spelling and are pronounced almost the same way. So let's do this. In English language, when a certain word ends with ICE, there is every probability that such word is a noun. And when the word of the same nature ends with ISE, then we can say that that other word is a verb form of the noun. For instance, practice and practice. The practice that ends with ICE is a noun, and the one that ends with ISE is a verb. This rule also applies to advice and advice. Advice that ends with CE is a noun, while the advice that ends with ISE is a verb. Words in this category also include license and license. License with CE is a noun. It means a document that is given to you by an authority that allows you to do certain thing or to acquire certain thing. Why license that ends with SE means to permit or to allow. You are not licensed to drive a car if you do not have a driving license. So license with CE is a document. A license with SE is to permit, to allow, to give you the freedom to do something. Another word in this category is device and device. Device that ends with CE is a gadget, a tool, an invention, something that can be heard, something that is created, a creation that we can own, that we can use for a purpose. Like we have the ICT device, like your phone, your laptop, your mic, your camera, your ICT device. You have the electronic device. All of us have electronic device in our house. So that is device, device. Then we have device, devise, which means to create, to invent. It's a verb, it's an action word, to invent, to create, or to plan. Like we need to devise a method of teaching suitable for the 21st century students. There's this information that I need you to note. Number one, these examples I've given are most cases restricted to British English only. In the American English, more often than not, there's no difference between the spelling of a verb and a noun. Most of their verb and noun ends with ISE. Practice ISE, devise ISE, license ISE with a noun or verb. There's no difference between the spelling. I also want you to note that there are some words that do not conform with this rule. Some words have their spelling the same, either as noun or as verb. Such words that end with ICE and mean both noun and verb are sacrifice, invoice, slice, and some other words like that. You can see that these three words end with ICE, but it's still the same thing. We need to make a sacrifice. I sacrifice my time to teach you. Still the same. Also, we have words that end with ISE and the spelling is for both noun and verb. Such words are promise, surprise, disguise, exercise. Like, you need to do more exercise. I will advise you exercise every day. Let's stop here for now. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, kindly like, comment on, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.